lipat ako ng window, umaalis yung ano eh, yung display. Okay, so let us do this. Let's start. Kanino tayo magsisimula? Oh, do you remember? I remember. Kay Lay. Siya ang magtatanong. Okay. So, everyone, kayo na po ang magbantay sa workbook. Kasi dalawa-dalawang windows na yung minamanage ko. Please be on top of sino na ang susunod. Okay? You watch the workbook. I will watch the PDF. Okay? I need your help that way para tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Hello.
Okay po, Miss C.
Okay. Thank you. All right. So, anong ginagawa nitong girl? Let's just review the actions, no? What is she doing? So let's just review. Para lang pag nakita natin yung picture, alam natin what the answer is. What is she doing? Anyone?
Nagbabrush po ng teeth niya.
She's brushing her teeth. Two, what is he doing?
He's cleaning his room.
He's cleaning his room or he's cleaning his apartment. We don't know kung ano yung nakasuggest dyan. But that's correct. Cleaning. Next, number 3.
He's feeding his cat.
Feeding the cat. Correct. 4.
Fixing the car.
Fixing the car. And 5.
Painting the wall.
Painting the wall. Okay. And 6.
Reading a book.
Reading a book. And 7.
Wiping.
Cleaning the window. Okay. Washing pala, hindi cleaning. Wiping, cleaning. Possessive adjectives. Okay, remember that. Possessive. Ginagamit yung my, di ba? My house, my book, his shirt, her dog, our teacher, di ba? Ganun siya. Okay, so si Leila ang susunod. Leila, please ask the next person. Zoom out ka konti para kasha. So, Leila, ask this to the next person. Next person, you answer.
Hi, Almira. What are you doing?
I'm fixing my sink.
Good. Almira, next.
Eloisa, what's Bob doing?
He's fixing his car.
All right. Good. Lizelle, can you try? Ay, si Lizelle ba yun? Sino yung nagtanong ng what's Bob doing? Si Eloisa?
Almira po.
Si Eloisa?
Ay. Ako po yung nagtanong. Si Eloisa yung sumagot.
I'm not seeing you. What's your name?
Almira.
Almira, okay. Almira, can you just say, parang nagtatanong ka talaga, what's Bob doing? Parang may hinihintay kang sagot, hindi ka lang nagsa-statement. Go ahead.
What's Bob doing?
Answer. Everyone. Pagka pinaulit ko sa nagtanong, ibig sabihin pinapaulit ko rin sa sumagot, okay? So, sino yon? Si Eloisa yon, tama ba?
Eloisa po.
Ay, sorry po.
Okay, again. Almira, please ask.
What's Bob doing?
He's fixing his car.
Thank you. Eloisa, ask the next question.
Patricia, what's Mary doing?
She's cleaning her room.
Good. At saka maganda yung pagkasabi niya na her room. Magkadugtong yon, her room. Hindi siya her room. Awkward pa nga yun eh. So, her room. Okay, good. Next.
Ax, what are you doing?
Everyone, just to review, your tone, your intonation should be, what are you doing? What is Mary doing? What is she doing? Okay? Itong nadidinig ko so far, what are you doing? What is she doing? What are they doing? Okay? All right. Ax. Si Ax ba yun?
Yes, ma'am.
Ax. San ka? Okay. Again, question please. Everyone, please pay attention kasi baka turn yun eh. So everyone, please say the name. Ha? Again, question please.
Ax, what are you doing?
We're cleaning our apartment.
Parang ang lungkot. Pwede bang ano?
Sorry, ma'am. We're cleaning our apartment.
Good. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
At sana wag kayo mainip pag pinapaulit ko sa inyo yung intonation, ha? Kasi kung ano yung pinractice nyo, yun ang gagawin nyo sa tunay na buhay. Kaya hindi ko kayo pakawalan
Opo.
kapag napakalungkot, di ba? All right. Next, ask the question. Ask. Tongue twister yun. Ask the question.
Nori, what are your children doing?
Oh, they're doing their homework.
Nice. Okay, meron pa siyang O.
Ma'am, nagulat lang po.
Good. Okay. That's okay. All right. So now, level up natin yung ating conversation, di ba? So, meron na tayong short answer. How does the short answer look like? It looks like this, no? So, ito yung to be na short answer. While you're muted, please repeat after me. Yes, I am. Yes, he is. At pakinggan niyo kung paano ko sinasabi yung he is, ha? Para siyang may Y. He is. Hindi siya he is. He is. Okay. Again, yes, I am. Pati yung I and am, merong Y siya sa pagitan, di ba? Yes, I am. Yes, he is. Yes. Yes, it is. Yes, we are. Yes, you are. Yes, they are. Okay? All right. So, si Nori, I think ang susunod na magtatanong, Nori, please ask a question to the next person.
Hello po, ma'am. Ay,
Yes?
I'm sorry po. Ano po yan? Nag-discount. Na ano po? Asa na
Sorry.
po?
Ask the
Naputol po ako.
question.
Okay po.
Ask the question.
This one. Are you busy?
Sabihin mo yung pangalan nung
Yes, I
tinatanong mo
am.
para alam niya.
Ay, sorry po.
No.
Sorry po, sorry po. Okay. JM, are you busy?
Yes, I am. I'm washing my hair.
Sorry, it's also my connection. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes po.
I think it's also my connection. I'm so sorry. Okay na? Okay. Alright. Okay, again, take 3 or 4. So, kapag ganyan ang sentence, we stress the word busy because it's an adjective. 2 days ago, we stressed yung noun. Okay? And you will learn that we will also stress the main verb. Okay? So, in this case, are you busy? When we say stress, we say it louder, di ba? Are you busy? Hindi lahat malakas. Sa Filipino, sa Tagalog, lahat malakas. Sa English, some words are softer or mahina, and some words are louder. Are you busy? Etong tunog ng malakas lahat. Are you busy? Okay. Kapag may mahina, are you busy? Siyempre, sinuslow mo ko, no? Are you busy? Alright. So, punta tayo sa sagot. How do we say that? Yes, I am. Alin ang in-stress natin? Yung yes at saka yung am. Kasi yun yung sagot sa tanong. Yes, I am. Pero pansinin nyo, yung I, dinaplisan lang. Because it's a pronoun. Ganon din dito sa kabila. You is a pronoun. Kaya mahina lang siya. Are you busy? Yes, I am. Hindi natin sila halos nadidinig pero alam natin nandun sila. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. I'm washing. Diba? Yun pa lang, no? Washing yung malakas because it's the main verb. Ano yung pinasadahan lang natin? I, which is a pronoun, and am, which is a helping verb. We say them softer, more softly. I'm washing my hair. So, which words did we stress there? Washing and hair. So, if they are nouns and adjectives and main verbs, we stress them. Kapag helping verb, pronoun, and possessive adjective like my, his, her, no? We just glide over them. Pinapasadahan lang. So, again, I will repeat how we say this. Are you busy? Yes, I am. I'm washing my hair. Di ba? Para na kayong arsh-warsh magsalita pagka ginawa nyo yun, no? But I'm teaching you, we're breaking down what's going on. That's why they sound like they do. Ito po yun. All right. So who's next? Whose turn is it to ask the question?
Ako po.
Si JM na. All right. Sige nga, JM, pasampulan mo kami ng sagot dyan ng yes, I am. Ako na magtatanong. Are you busy?
Yes, I am. I'm washing my hair.
Ah, I love it. Ikaw, don't you love it?
I love it.
O, di ba? I love it. O, di ba pati yun eh? I love it. Kasi mahina yung I at saka yung it. Love lang ang malakas. I love it.
I love it.
All right. Okay. So, ask the question. So, JM will ask this question. The person who will answer will respond with this. And imbes na sabihing Frank is cleaning his apartment, he's cleaning his apartment. Okay? All right, go ahead.
Suzette, is Frank busy?
Yes, he is. He's cleaning his apartment.
Nice. Good. Both of you, good. Next, Suzette, ask a question.
Angel, is Helen busy?
Yes, she is. She is feeding her cat.
All right. Good. Good, Jessa. Ang suggestion ko lang, i-connect mo, no? She is, imbes na she is. Actually, mas mahirap sabihin yung she is kesa sa she is. Tapos, she's feeding her cat. Yung isa, she is, ito, she's. Okay? One more time. Suzette to Jetta.
Angel, is Helen busy?
Yes, yes, she is. She is feeding her cat.
Good. Okay, Angel. Minsan Angel, minsan Jessa. Okay, Angel, ask number 3.
Roslyn, are you busy?
Yes, I am. I'm fixing our TV.
Good. So, Angel, good intonation. Are you busy? Alam nyo, when you ask a question that is answerable by yes or no, pataas ang intonation. Are you busy? Did you eat? Are you hungry? Are you tired? Do you like BTS? Do you watch K-drama? Lahat yun, iisa ang tono nun. If it's answerable by yes or no, pataas. Okay? Kaya, tama yung ginawa ni Angel. Are you busy? Now, Roslyn, say yes, okay? Not yes. And that's for everyone, no? Hindi lang siya, hindi siya yes. It's a simple S. Yes. We're fixing our TV. All right, one more time. Sorry, hinahasa ko lang muna kayo para tuloy-tuloy mamaya. Angel, ask the question again and then Roslyn answer.
Roslyn, are you busy?
Yes, I am. I'm fixing our TV.
Okay, that's fine. Although the answer key would say, yes, we're busy. Yes, we are pala. Yes, we are.
Okay po.
All right, good.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Okay, Roslyn, ask the next question. Number 4.
Marielle, are Jim and Lisa busy?
Yes, they are. They are painting their bedroom.
Very good. Maganda yung intonation nyo pareho. Next.
Mika, are you
Yes,
busy?
I am. I'm doing my homework.
Right. Reminder, it's just yes, not yes. Okay? Yes. One more time. Question, please.
Marielle, are Jim and Lisa busy?
Hindi ba number 5 na? O mali ako?
Number 5 po.
Okay. Number
Sorry
5. So who will read the question? Number 5.
Ay, ulitin po namin, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you po. Mika, are you busy?
Yes, I am. I am doing my homework.
Good. Okay. Mika, number 6.
Xander, is Richard busy?
Yes, he is. He's washing his clothes.
Good. Now, Xander, practicing mo yung he is.
Yes, he is.
Okay, ituloy mo na.
Yes, he is. He's washing his clothes.
Good. Okay, Xander, ask the next question.
Eduardo, are Ed and Ruth busy?
Yes, they are. They're painting their garage.
Good. Ed, ask the next question.
Jam, is Timmy busy?
Yes, he is. He's feeding his dog.
Good. Next, Jam, number 9.
Che, are you busy?
Yes, we are. We're doing our exercise.
All right. Exercises. Exercises. Okay. Next, si Che ba yun? Okay. 10.
Liz, are you busy?
Yes, I am. I'm fixing my bicycle.
Good. Next.
Hey, Heather, is Karen busy?
Yes, she is. She's washing her car.
Good. Next.
Hi, Josa. Is Anwar busy?
Yes, he is. He's cleaning his yard.
Good. 13.
Maria, are your children busy? Maria, are your children busy?
Yes, they are. They're brushing their teeth.
All right, good. Now, wag kayong mahiya dyan sa busy na yan. It's pronounced as busy. Yung Y is like a double E. Busy. Busy. So, wag niyo bitinin sarili niya. Are you busy? Okay. Good. Number 14, please ask the question.
Angge, are you busy?
Angge.
Ay, sorry po, na-disconnect po.
Okay. All right. Question
Angge,
again, please.
are you busy?
Yes, we are. We're washing our windows.
Good. And then, Angge asked the question.
Lay, is Wendy busy?
Yes, she is. She's reading her email.
All right. Good. Okay, so let us continue to... Oops. Okay. So, in this exercise, sino yung susunod?
Ako po.
Si Lizel. Okay. Lizel, this time, just tell us, identify a person or people. Sabi ng instruction, no? Where are they and what are they doing? So, halimbawa, si Jervin yan. No? Jervin is in the park. He's reading a book. Ganun yung hinahanap nating sagot. Okay? Alright, so can you try, Lizel? Pili ka lang dyan sa nasa picture.
Jenny Chang is in the library. She's studying.
Very good. Next person.
Miss Roberts is at the park. She's reading a newspaper.
Good. And then, look na kay Isa, no?
Ako na po, no?
Thanks, Faye. Yes, Isa.
Mr. Molina is in the park. He is reading a book. He's reading a radio. Radio ba yun? Pakagam. Ulit. Magawa na sariling version.
Girl, paano ba sa inyo rin?
Atawa din ako.
Sorry po.
Oo.
Salamat.
Pinamili kayo like
icebreaker tayo,
Ulit. Napakapalitan ko nga si Miss Roberts na lang. Kakainis si Kulin eh. Joke lang. Tapos na po. Ano ba yun?
Oh, si Mr. Molina
po ba yun?
Hindi ba ni Mr. Molina?
Ano ba gagawa po sa radio?
O, ano nga
Okay
pa?
po, game.
Balik natin sa'yo. Pag may hawak kang radyo, anong ginagawa mo sa sa radyo? Pag ikaw may hawak na radyo. Or nanay mo or lola.
Game po. Mr. Molina is in the park. He is finding a signal for his radio. Di na binabasa yung radyo.
Sige. Pinahirapan mo pa yung sarili mo.
Ayaw mo talaga ng listening, ano ba?
Ayaw niya ng listening, ano?
Oo nga, no. Medyo very good ka doon.
Hindi daw niya pinapakinggan yung radyo.
Sorry na, B. Wala kaming radyo eh. Wala kaming TV eh.
Smartphones lang at saka tablet ang meron sila. It's fine. Thank you. At least you made it work. Okay, who's next?
Ako po. Angie po.
Angie, yes.
Mr. and Mrs. Sharp are in the laundromat. They are washing their clothes.
All right, good. So they're washing their clothes, they're doing the laundry, they're folding their clothes. Ano naman. All right, one more.
John and Julie Carter.
Go ahead. Lori.
Okay po. John and Julie Carter is R pala. R.
Good catch.
John and Julie Carter are in the park. They're playing basketball.
Good. All right. Next set, nasa lower part ng ating picture. Please continue. Ang tawag dito, health club ha? Health club. Okay. Go ahead. Who comes after Lori Lynn?
Si Abby
Nicole.
po, ma'am.
Nicole? Thanks, Faye, for keeping track. Laking tulong. Next person, yung susunod kay Lori. Ayan. Nicole Abby.
Saan po ba?
Ayan, nasa screen. Pili ka ng tao. Pili ka ng character. Sabihin mo where they are and what they're doing. So, kung pampili mo si Charlie Harris, health club yan. So example, kanina, Miss Roberts is in the park. She's reading the newspaper. So ikaw, pili ka dito.
Tapos ang ask ko po yung sa next ko po.
No need to ask. Just tell
Okay.
us.
Okay. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Lopez?
No need to ask. Just tell us. Nasan si Mr. and Mrs. Lopez
Okay.
and what they're doing.
Mr. and Mrs. Lopez eating at restaurant.
We need a helping verb. Mr. and Mrs. Lopez blank eating in the restaurant. Ay, sorry. Dapat pala ganito. Mr. and Mrs. Lopez blank in the restaurant. Sige, Abby. Is or are? Mr. and Mrs. Lopez blank in the restaurant. Is or are?
Mr. and Mrs. Lopez are in restaurant.
In the restaurant.
Are in restaurant.
Okay. There. What are they doing?
They're eating.
Okay. They're eating or they're eating dinner. Okay.
They're eating.
Okay. Good. Next. Sino pagkatapos kay Nicole?
Nicole rin po.
Nicole ulit. Okay, go ahead.
Bob Davis is in the kitchen. He is cooking.
All right. Good. Next.
Charlie Harris is in the health club. He's exercising.
Good. Next person.
Danny Williams is outside the restaurant. He's fixing his bike.
All right. And then?
Tapos na po ba yung kay Patty?
Hindi pa.
Okay. Patty Williams is washing her car.
Where is she?
Huh?
Nasaan siya?
Patty Williams is washing her car in the garage.
Okay. All right. We'll accept that. Or in the car park in the sidewalk. Okay. All right. Thanks, everyone. Palakpakan natin yung so far na sumasagot. Oh, hindi mo na tingnan. Baka mahilo kayo. Hold on, please. All right. I want us to review itong pronunciation. Okay, just repeat after me. Kapag meron kayong nakikitang parang curved line sa ilalim, ibig sabihin nun, pinagdudugtong sila. Okay, they're connected. And look at the H that is striked out. Diba? Nagiging silent siya. So, it should sound like fixing her. Okay, fixing her. Okay, so repeat after me. She's fixing her car. And notice the words that I'm stressing, diba? It's fixing and car. She's fixing her car. She's cleaning her room. He's feeding his dog. He's washing his windows. He's painting his apartment. She's doing her homework. He's brushing his teeth. She's reading her email. Kaya, kung kayo pinagre-read aloud every day, para ma-practice nyo yung ganito. Okay? All right, let's continue. This time, we will still have yes or no questions, short answers, pero also the questions, and also adjectives. So, meron tayong opposite descriptions. Okay, halimbawa, tall and short, young and old, heavy or fat and thin, new and old, married and single, handsome and ugly, beautiful or pretty, and ugly, large or big, small or little, noisy or loud versus quiet, expensive versus cheap, easy versus difficult, rich versus poor. So, di ba kanina, I'm reading, I'm eating, di ba? Kanina ganon. Pero this time, adjective naman. I'm tall. He's tall. Okay, so repeat after me. I'm tall. He's tall. She's tall. It's tall. We're tall. You're tall. They're tall. Okay. So this time, look at the question. Di ba kanina, sabi ko, pag answerable by yes or no, pataas. Diba? Is Bob tall? Pataas yon. Pero pag choice yung question, is Bob tall or short? Yung first description pataas, yung second description pababa. Is Bob tall or short? Do you like red or blue? Okay? So, the answer is, sining susunod sa atin? Who's next?
Si Eloisa po.
Eloisa will ask the question. Tama? Okay, Eloisa, please ask the question to the next person. Ikaw si A, next person is B.
Patricia, is Bob tall or short?
He's tall.
Question again.
Is Bill tall or short?
He's short.
Okay, good. Okay. Pero, Pat, mas maganda kung yung intonation mo pababa, no? Because you're saying a statement. He's short. He's short? Parang nagtatanong, di ba? He's short. Okay. Anyway, hindi ko papaulit sa'yo. So, Pat, it's now your turn to ask a question. 1 and 2, iyo.
Is Kate young or old?
Hello, ma'am.
Go ahead, answer.
Kate is young.
She's young. Kasi sinabi na
She's
yung
young.
pangalan, di ba? Is Kate young or old? So, she na lang. She's young.
Okay.
Okay.
She's young.
Okay, next question, Pat.
Is Peggy young or old?
She's old.
Good. Okay, ask 3 and 4.
Nori, is Howard heavy or thin?
He's fat.
Sandali. Kung ano yung ginamit na na adjective, yun yung gamitin natin, okay? All right. Again, ask.
Nori, is Howard heavy or thin?
He's heavy.
Nori, is Mike fat or thin?
He's thin.
Good. Next. So, Nori ngayon magtatanong. Number 5 and 6.
JM, is Howard's car new or old?
It's new.
Is my car new or old?
It's old.
All right. Good. Next, JM.
Suzette, is Gloria married or single?
She's married.
Is Jennifer married or single?
She's single.
Good. All right. Suzette, go ahead. 9 and 10.
Angel, is Robert handsome or ugly?
He's handsome.
Is Captain Crook handsome or ugly?
He's ugly.
All right. Good. Next. Everyone say handsome. Handsome. Hindi handsome, ha? Handsome. All right. Sige, go ahead. Number 11 and 12.
Roslyn, is Vanessa beautiful or ugly? She's beautiful. Is Hilda pretty or ugly?
Ala. She's ugly.
She's pretty ugly. All right, good. And palakpakan natin. Ang gaganda ng mga intonation nila, no? You're applying the proper intonation, so that's good. And when we do that, mas madali tayong maintindihan. Sige, Roslyn, next question, set of questions, 13 and 14.
Marielle, is Robert's house large or small?
It's large.
Is George's apartment big or little?
It's little.
Good. Say George's. Pagka ganyan, no? May apostrophe S. George's. All right. Next, 15 and 16.
Mika, are Kate's neighbor noisy or quiet?
Don't forget the S. Kasi R yun, di ba? Are Kate's neighbors. Okay, again.
Mika, are Kate's neighbors are noisy or quiet?
They are noisy.
Mika, are Peggy's neighbors are loud? Are Peggy's neighbors loud or quiet?
They are quiet.
Good. Next. 17.
Xander, is the food at the plaza restaurant expensive or cheap?
It's expensive.
Good. Next.
Xander, is the food at Burger Town expensive or cheap?
I think it's cheap.
Okay. All right. Next, Xander, ask 19 and 20.
Eduardo, are the questions in chapter 5 easy or difficult?
It's easy.
This should be R. Kasi yung tanong niya R, oh, the questions, di ba? The questions. So what's the pronoun for it?
Hindi po ako natuloy.
There. Okay, so again, ask the questions, Xander.
Eduardo?
Sinabi mo ba R? Ay, sorry naman. And, kasi medyo choppy, kaya natuloy ko. So anyway, just repeat for everybody's sake.
Eduardo, are the questions in chapter 5 easy or difficult?
They're easy.
Eduardo, are the questions in chapter 17 easy or difficult?
They're difficult.
Good. All right. Ask the question. Ed. 21 and 22.
Is Martin rich or poor?
He's rich.
Is Larry poor or sorry? Is Larry rich or poor?
He's poor.
All right. Good. All right. So we will continue. Short answers pa rin, ano? Pero this time may negative na. Kasi kanina sinasagot lang, yes, he is. Yes, they are. Yes, yes, it is. Diba? So now, lalagyan din natin ng no. Okay? So everyone, please repeat after me. Bawat isa. Am I tall? Is he tall? Is she tall? Is it tall? Are we tall? Are you tall? Are they tall? Next set. Ginawa na natin to kanina. Let's just keep reviewing. Yes, I am. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. Yes, we are. Yes, you are. Yes, they are. No, I'm not. And notice na, pag not, sinistress talaga siya. Kasi pag hindi siya in-stress, mapapagkamalan siyang hindi not. No? Magiging positive siya. So pagka may negative, pagka may no or not, or don't, or shouldn't, nakastress yung mga yan. Okay. No, I'm not. No, he isn't. No, she isn't. No, it isn't. No, we aren't. No, you aren't. Hindi siya aren't, okay? Again, no, we aren't. No, you aren't. No, they aren't. All right. So I think si Jam yung susunod. Okay, Jam, can you ask this question to the next person?
Che, are you married?
No, I'm not. I'm single.
Good. Okay. So yan, yung opposite sinasagot natin, 'di ba? No, I'm not. I'm single. All right. So Che, please ask this question.
Please, tell me about your new car. Is it large?
No, it isn't. It's small.
Good. Ang ganda ng sound nila, 'di ba? Congrats sa inyo. Go ahead, Liz, itong sunod.
Che. Oh no. It's Eder.
Okay.
Eder, tell me about your new neighbors. Are they quiet?
No, they aren't. They're noisy.
Good. All right. So, ayan na. Mas mahaba na, no? Ang ganda ng mga conversation, di ba? It's so simple, pero natitrain tayo. Parang templates ito mga to, no? So, think about these things as like templates. Palitan nyo lang yung mga nouns and verbs. You can use them in other situations as well. All right. So, go ahead, please. Ask the question.
Hi, Josa. Tell me about your computer.
Is it?
Ma'am, nag-CR po si Colleen.
Oh, sige.
I mean, nag-bathroom.
Okay lang. Yes. Good catch. Ang tawag dito. So you have to supply this. Who asked the question?
Ako po. Okay po, ma'am.
Si Edward. Okay. So you have to complete this also. Tell me about your computer.
Is it new?
Yan, ganon. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. So wala pa ba si ano? Si Colleen? Wala pa. Sayang naman.
Wala pa po.
Okay. Sino yung nauna sa kanya? O sige, balikan na lang natin mamaya itong number 1, okay? So, sino ulit yung magtatanong? Si Eder? Eder, ikaw na lang magtanong ng number 2 para sa susunod kay Colleen. Mamaya balikan natin itong number 1 para sa inyo ni Colleen.
Okay po. Hi, Mary. Tell me about your computer. Is it new?
Hindi, yung number 2. Yung number 2.
Okay po. Hi, Mary. Tell me about your new boss. Is he young?
No, he's not.
No, he isn't. Practice natin yung gano'n, ha? He isn't.
Sorry po. No, he isn't.
He's?
No, he isn't.
Ano yung opposite ng young?
No, he isn't. He's old.
Yon, ganon. Okay. Ulit. Let's polish that. Eder, pakitanong ulit.
Wait lang po. Hi, Mary. Tell me about your new boss. Is he young?
No, he isn't. He's old.
Okay. Mary to the next person.
Angge, tell me about your neighbors. Are they noisy?
No, they aren't. Quiet.
O, di ba? Kahit alam niyo yung sasabihin niyo, na-hotel kayo. Kasi kulang sa practice. So, you're welcome. May practice kayo, di ba? One more time, para mawala yung mga nabibigla. One more time. Please ask the question again. Para may redeeming factor.
Yun na po. This po. Angge, tell me about your neighbors. Are they noisy?
No, they aren't. They're quiet.
Alright, good. Sa mga nakikinig, practicein nyo na rin, no? Kahit naka-mute kayo. Alright, Angge, ask the question.
Lay, tell me about the Plaza restaurant. Is it cheap?
No, it isn't. It's expensive.
Very good. And I love the stressed words. Okay, next. Question, please. Habang naghahanda yung magtatanong, congrats to Lori and to Lizelle. Nakikita ko sila nagpa-practice kasi naka-on yung camera nila, no? Nababasa ko yung labi nila. Nagpa-practice sila. Good job kayo. At sa mga nagpa-practice din na hindi ko naman nakikita, okay lang as long as you are doing it. So, who will, tama, exactly. Oy, Colleen, may utang ka sa amin. Yaman din lamang nandyan ka. Balik tayo sa number 1. Colleen, we saved this for you. Sino yung magtatanong? Si Eder din, ano? O, di ba? Extra practice si Eder. Eder, please ask Colleen. Number 1. Ay, Colleen, alam mo na yung model.
Yes po.
Okay. Ask the question.
Yes, I do.
Tama! Tama! Do you know the template? Do you know the script? Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Tama. Okay. Question, please.
Hi, Josa. Tell me about your computer. Is it new?
No, it isn't. It's old.
All right. Good job. Sorry, nawalan ka ng pagkakataon magtanong nga, pero iikot pa naman.
Hello po. Ikot naman po.
Thank you.
Thank
All right.
you po.
Who's supposed to ask number 5? Sino yung sumagot ng no, it's expensive?
Ma'am, ako po.
Sino?
Liz Aylay po. Nalobat po yung phone ko.
Magkatabi kayo ni Colleen.
Opo.
Okay. O, sige. So, please ask the question. Number 5.
Miss Faye, tell me about your brother. Is he tall?
No, he isn't. He's short.
All right. Good. Thank you, Faye. Faye, your question. Number 6.
Number 6, Isa, tell me about your sister. Is she single?
Rizalyn.
Nawalan po ata ng net si Rizal.
Okay.
Wala po siya sa net.
Si Colleen ulit pasagutin natin. Ask Colleen.
Colleen, tell me about your sister. Is she single?
No, she isn't. She's taken. Tama ba?
She's married.
She's married. Taken kasi. Ulit. Again, please.
Colleen, tell me about your sister. Is she single?
No, she isn't. She's married.
All right. Thank you. Colleen, ask the question dun sa susunod kay Isa.
Sino ba yung susunod?
Number 7.
Sino ni susunod? Tino mo? Si Isabel.
Isabel.
Angie. Hello, Angie. Tell me about Nancy's cat. Is it pretty?
No, it isn't. It's ugly.
Angie to Lori.
Lori, tell me about Ron and Betty's dog. Is it little? Is it little?
Tama.
It is
No, it...
Tama, is it little?
Isa pa po.
Oh, isa pa
Ulit,
raw.
sorry.
Kailangan niya ng
Nalito
cue.
Ako mismo nalito eh.
Tama naman.
Okay.
Oh, go ahead.
Apa. Lori, tell me about Ron and Betty's dog. Is it little?
No, it isn't. It's big.
Alright, good. Now, yung Betty na yan, hindi siya Betty, okay? Betty, parang pretty, busy, di ba? Kathy. So, don't be shy. Huwag niyo bitinin yung Betty na yan. Betty. Alright, so answer ni Lori. So, Lori, number 9.
Abby, tell me about the questions in your English book. Is it difficult?
Wait, ano
No.
yung sabi?
Mali po. Are they pala dapat?
Yun, okay.
Abby, tell me about the questions in your English book. Are they difficult?
No, they aren't. It's easy.
No, they aren't.
No, they aren't.
Tapos?
They
They're
easy. They easy.
They
They're easy. Yeah.
They're easy.
They're easy.
Yan. Okay, one more time. No, they aren't. They're easy.
No, they are. They're easy.
Okay. Okay, again, Lori, question.
Abby, tell me about the questions in your English book. Are they difficult?
No, they aren't. They're easy.
Very good. Okay. Ang clue niyan, ang clue dun sa sagot, dun din sa question. Diba? Sabi niya, are they difficult? So, ang sagot natin, no, they aren't. They're... Okay. So, question number 10, Abby.
Nicole Ann, tell me about Santa Claus. Is he thin?
No, he isn't. He's fat.
Alright. Good. Pagod na kayo?
Yes, we are. No, we aren't.
Aren't. Okay, okay. Sige, I think we have one more longer conversation and then we're done for the day. But before that, I want us to review itong pronunciation ulit. And I already told you this. Diba? Is Bob tall or short? May pause doon na maikli. Is Bob tall or short? So repeat after me. Is Bob tall or short? Is Kate young or old? Are they noisy or quiet? Is it hot or cold? Is the car new or old? Are you married or single? Is it sunny or cloudy? Are they large or small? Okay, good. Now, so we will still continue with the present continuous tense and prepositions. Okay. Di ba kapag nagpapakita tayo ng picture sa ibang tao, sino yan? Ah, lolo ko yan. Ah, tita ko yan. Di ba? So, ganun din sa English. Okay. Who is he? He's my father. What's his name? Ayan, level up tayo. Tingnan nyo ilang palitan yan. 1, 2, 3, 4 na palitan. Sige, practice tayo. Kanino nagtapos kanina?
Nicole.
Nicole, you will ask the question. Tama? Okay. So, everybody, please take note of the questions, okay? 4 na tanong yan. Who will answer your question?
Si Gail po.
Okay. O, sige. Practice tayo, Nicole and Gail. Pero pakinggan niyo muna ako, ha? Who is he? He's my father. What's his name? His name is Paul. Where is he? He's in Paris. What's he doing? He's standing in front of the Eiffel Tower. Okay? So, kahit luma yung picture, noon pa kinunan yung picture, ang tanong ay, what's he doing? As if nangyayari pa rin ngayon, only because it's a picture. Diba? What's he doing? He's exercising. Kahit picture siya. Kahit noon na siyang nakaraan. Alright? So, Nicole to Gail. Go ahead.
Who is he?
He's my father.
What's his name?
His name is Paul.
Where is he?
He's in Paris.
What
He's
he doing?
standing in front of the Eiffel Tower.
Good. Swerte nila, no? May kodigo sila. So, everybody take note of the questions, ha? Lalo na yung mga next few. So, Gail, it's your turn to ask. Take note of the questions, okay? And then, ayan, may kodigo pa tayo for now, pero mamaya mawawala na rin siya. So, Gail, please ask the questions to the next person. Next person, here are your answers. At mag-iimbento kayo ng pangalan. Di ba kanina, his name is Paul? O this time, magsasabi kayo ng pangalan.
Layla?
Alright, go ahead. Ask questions.
Layla, who is she?
She's
What's
my
her
mother.
name? Where
Her
is
name's
she?
Karen.
What's she doing?
She's in the park. She's riding her bicycle. She's riding her bicycle.
Alright, good. Yan. So, tama yung ginawa nila. Okay? Naisingit nila yung pangalan ng mommy. By the way, everyone, that is pronounced as mother. Yung O na yan, it sounds like mother. Hindi siya mother. Mother. It's the same sound as in brother. It rhymes with butter. Smooth like butter. Diba? Hindi naman siya smooth like butter. Okay. Pero, okay, so mother, brother, pero father, daughter. Yan, bumababa yung bibig doon, okay? Mother, brother, father, daughter. Okay. Good. Next person, please ask the question. Number 2. Questions.
They're my parents. Their names are Paul and Karen.
Where are they?
They're in the wait lang. They're in the dining room.
What are they doing?
They're having their dinner.
Very good. Talaga Karen ulit?
Dinagtong ko lang po yung Paul tsaka yung Karen.
Okay. Alright, next. Good job, everyone. Ayan, biglang magkakaroon kayo ng my son, my daughter, my husband, my wife, ganun. So sabihin nyo na yung mga pangalan na gusto nyo, yung pinagnanasahan yung tao, di ba? Okay, next question. Questions for number 3.
Ma'am, pwede pa up muna. Picturean ko na lang yung questions.
Yung questions? Okay.
Okay na po.
Alright.
Eloisa. Eloisa, who is he?
He's my son.
What's his name?
It's John.
His name is?
His name is John.
Where is he?
He's at the beach. Beach. Sorry.
Di bale, ayusin natin yan. Tapusin nyo lang.
What's he doing?
He's swimming.
Alright, good. Ipapapolish ko yan sa inyo, ha? Pero I have to give some pointers. So this is pronounced as sun. It rhymes with S-U-N, sun. Yung araw. That's the sun. He's my son. They sound exactly the same kahit magkaiba ang spelling nila. Sun, S-U-N. Okay? Tapos, itong beach, It's a long E sound. It's the same sound in feet, team, ano pa, sheep. Okay? So, lalo na dito sa beach, iwasan nating maging short eye siya. Ano yung short eye? Ito yung sit, big, ship, no? Kanina, ang nadinig natin ay bitch. So, kapag nag-short yan, magiging bitch siya. Pero we know it's different from beach. Paano pinopronounce yung long E? Smile as if you're saying cheese. Yun eh. Kaya tayo pinapasabi ng photographer na cheese. Kasi gumaganon yung bibig natin when we say cheese. And it's the same sound in clean as in clean tech. Okay? Sino may ganong pangalan dito? Parang wala pa ako nakita. Yung Lee, ni Jervin Lee, yun din yun. It's the same sound. Okay? So, beach. Alright. At hindi lang siya yung cheeks, no? Pati yung dila, flat. Nakakalat din yung dila sa loob. Natatouch yung mga molars natin. At nakataas ng konti ang dila. Beach. Okay. Alright. So, one more time. Ask a question. Who is he? Ulit. Sino yung dalawang huli? Number 3.
Almira and Eloisa.
Okay, Almira and Eloisa. Number 3.
Hindi si ano na po, Eloisa tsaka Pat.
Eloisa and Pat. Number 3? Pinapaulit ko lang yung number 3.
Okay. 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 Eloisa, who is he? Who is he?
He's my son.
What's his name?
His name is John.
Where is she?
He's at the beach.
What's he doing?
He's swimming.
All right, good. All right, number 4. Questions, please.
Patricia, who is she?
She's my daughter.
What's her name?
She's Sophia.
Her name is. Okay, again. From the top.
Patricia, who is she?
She's my daughter.
What's her name?
Her name is Sophia.
Where is she?
She's in front of our house.
What's she doing?
She's washing her car.
All right, good. Thank you. Tama kayo. Parang kulang lang kayo sa ngiti habang ginagawa nyo yan. All right, next, number 5. Ayan, may wife na siya. Oh.
Ask, who is she?
She's my wife.
What's her name?
Her name's Gold.
Where is she?
She's in the garden.
What is she doing?
She's planting flowers.
All right. Good. Ask number 6.
Okay. Wait lang po. Nori, who is he?
He's my husband.
What's his name?
His name is Blue.
Where is he?
He's in our living room.
What's he doing?
He's sleeping in a sofa.
Good, pero let's everyone say sleeping. So pareho to, no? Long E, just like beach. He's sleeping on the sofa. He's sleeping on the sofa. I know in our language, sofa yan. Sofa. Andiyan nakahiga siya sa sofa. Diba? Pero sa English, arte konte, sofa. All right. Good. Next. Si Nori ba yun? Nori asked the question. Number 7.
JM, who are they?
They're my sister and brother. Ay, there.
Tama.
Ulit. Tama pa. Ulit.
Ulit daw. Gusto niya perfect eh.
Okay. JM, who are they?
They're my sister and brother.
What's their name?
What are?
Ay, sorry po. Where are their names?
There are Jerome and Kate.
Their names are Jerome and
Their
Kate.
names are... Okay. Ulit po.
Nagpa-practice pa sila ngayon eh. Okay. Ulit.
Ilang take to ate? The joke.
Gusto ko perfect.
Tama yon. Gusto ko rin perfect eh. Okay. Game.
Ayun po. JM, who are they?
They're my sister and brother.
What are their names?
Their names are Jerome and Kate.
Where are they?
They're in the kitchen.
What are they doing?
They're baking a cake.
Good job. All right. JM, ask the question. Questions for 8.
Suzette, who are they?
They're my grandmother and grandfather.
What's their name?
What are?
What are
Their
their
names
names?
are Anastasio and Angela.
Okay. Tama yung sagot. Si JM yung kinokorek ko. What are their names?
Sorry po, hirap ako sa R.
Okay, wag ka munang umiti.
What are their names?
Yan. Minsan kasi nangangakwit tayo kakangiti. No? What are their names? Okay, ulit. From the top.
Suzette, who are they?
They're my grandmother and grandfather.
What are their names?
Their names are Anastasio and Angela.
Where
They're
are
at my
they?
wedding.
What
They're
are they
crying.
doing?
Good. Okay. So everyone, tingnan si JM. Ang galing. Kasi, inuulit talaga niya. Good job, JM. I think talaga, even the last time, di ba, napapansin mo yung, yung development mo. Alright. Si Suzette ba yan? Itong sumasagot.
Yes po.
Okay. Suzette, number 9.
Angel, who are they?
They're my aunt and uncle.
What are their names?
Their names are Ben and Jenny.
Where are they?
They're in Washington, D.C.
What are they doing?
They're standing in front of the White House.
Good. Very good. Next, number 10. Sorry. Go ahead.
Roslyn, who is he?
He's my cousin.
What's his name?
His name's John.
Where is he?
He's in front of his apartment building.
What's he doing?
He's skateboarding.
Very good. Roslyn, number 11. Last page na ito.
Marielle, who is she? What's her name? Where is she?
Her name is Bea.
What's she doing?
He is at school. She's acting in a play.
Very good. Roslyn or Marielle, one of you nagsastatic. I think si Marielle. Pag nagsasalita. So it might be the port or it might be the cable. Just check. Okay. But that's good. Marielle, I think it's your turn. Number 12.
Okay po.
He's my
Mika,
nephew.
who is he?
His name is Christian.
What's his name?
He's in his
Where is
bedroom.
he?
He's sitting
he
on his
doing?
bed and playing the guitar.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, Mika, number 13. Ask the questions. Last two na pala to.
Xander, who is he?
He's my friend.
What's his name?
His name is Jin.
Where's he?
He's in his apartment.
What's he doing?
He's playing a game on his computer.
Very good, both of you. Next, Sander, number 14.
Eduardo, who are they?
They are my friends.
What are their names?
Their name are Red and Blue.
Their names are?
Their names are Red and Blue.
Where are they?
They're at my birthday party.
What are they doing?
They're singing and dancing.
Awesome. All right. Yay. So congrats to everyone who was able to, I think all of you were able to do that. So congratulations. Okay. Stop presenting. Meron ako. Last picture. Hindi na ano lang siya, yung pronunciation pointer lang siya. Okay. So earlier, sabi ko, when you have a noun, an adjective, a main verb, an adverb, and negative auxiliaries, no, not, no? Lahat yan stressed. The stress in these sentences are marked with this symbol. Okay? Ano sabi ko? When we stress something, how do we actually say it? Malakas, mahina? Anyone?
Malakas po.
Malakas, okay? When we stress something, we give it emphasis. To be specific, we say it louder and a little more slowly. Sabihin natin yung pangalan ni Alexander. Which is the stressed syllable? Is it a? Is it lex? Is it sand? Or is it Alexander. Yung A, di ba? Yung A, second A, Alexander. Yun yung slow-mo noon, Alexander. So, nagtatagal tayo at lumalakas yung boses natin when we get to the second A sa pangalan niya. Sinestress natin. Okay. Ano ang hindi sinestress? Yung Alex at saka yung Alexander. Okay. So, sa mga pangalan natin, meron din niyang stress. Like Carmine. Stressed yung car, yung mine hindi. For Norilyn. Alin ang stressed syllable sa pangalan ni Norilyn at saka ni Lorilyn? The first syllable of their names are stressed, di ba? Lorilyn. Norilyn. Okay. So, sa mga words and names, merong stressed syllable. Sa sentences, merong stressed words. At yung sinestress natin ay nouns, adjectives, adverbs, main verbs, and no and not. Okay. So, this should sound like he's playing the guitar. Drawingan ko to, ha? Ay, hindi nga pala to Zoom. Sorry. Okay. Soft. Do you see my mouse? Hindi. Do you see my mouse? Okay. Soft, loud, soft, loud. Okay. He's playing the guitar. So repeat after me. He's playing the guitar. Next. She's acting in a play. She's riding her bicycle. He's sleeping on the sofa. We are baking a cake. They're sitting in the yard. He's washing his car. She's sitting on her bed. Okay. Kung mapapansin ninyo, especially yung merong on the sofa, no? Ang bilis nung on the. He's sleeping on the sofa. They're sitting in the yard. She's sitting on her bed. Kasi hindi ini-stress yung on at saka yung her. Kaya mabilis lang siya at soft lang siya. On her, honor. In the, on the. Okay, one more time. Those 3 sentences. He's sleeping on the sofa. They're sitting in the yard. She's sitting on her bed. Okay? So ngayon, no, may pointers na kayo how to really speak English. So I really encourage you to read aloud 1 paragraph every day. Tapos i-apply nyo lang yan, yung mga sinasabi ko. Anong paragraph? Kung saan man kayo interesado, basta well-written. Wag sa ano yun? Yung mga fan fiction, wag doon. Maraming poorly written doon. Alright, so are there any questions? Questions, anyone? Ano na-enjoy nyo? Sige nga, can somebody share? Anong natutunan ninyo? Ano yung na-enjoy nyo? Ano yung simula ngayon? Ganun nyo na sasabihin? Yes, Sander.
Ano po ma'am, the mere fact po na nagtatanungan po kami mga magkaka-interns po, parang way din po siya ng socialization. So, ayun po, maganda din po siyang way of socialization. Then po, mas naging interactive po yung workshop, which is I appreciate po more rather than po yung parang traditional talking and speaking lang po ng speaker or ng mismo nagsasalita. So, yun po, yung exercise po natin ngayon, which is interactive po, and as a way na rin po ng socialization with co-interns.
Okay. Good. I'm glad to hear that from you. Pero ako personally, ang goal ko para sa inyo is to develop confidence kahit little by little. Yun talaga ang gusto kong madagdagan sa inyo. Alright. Thank you, Xander. Si Colleen, I think, is raising her hand. Was raising her hand.
Si Lizel po yung nag-raise gamit yung phone ko.
Okay. O sige.
Pero may takeaway din po ako.
Sige.
Ayun po, practice makes perfect po talaga. Pagka po, kahit hindi kayo natawag, basta sumabay kayo, ganon. Tapos, parang mas magsa-sound na siyang natural sa'yo, tsaka hindi na magiging weird pakinggan. Tapos, pagka narinig mo na yung parang yung dati mong ginagawa na mali, yun na yung weird sa pandinig mo ngayon.
Tama.
Yun po.
Tapos pag sinabi ni Jervin na, is Lizel here? Sasabihin ni Colleen, no, she isn't. Diba?
No, she Ay,
she's washing her hair. All right, thank you. Okay, who else? Kanina may 2 o 3 nakataas yung kamay, ngayon wala. Okay, go ahead.
Pumako na yon si Lena.
Okay.
Nung po kasi sinasabayan ko po yung kapag may nagsasalita pong iba. Tapos nung una, tinatawanan po ako ni Colleen. Tapos parang habang tumatagal po, yun nga po, nagiging natural siya. Parang ang weird sa pakiramdam din and sa pandinig kapag bago pa lang pong ginagawa. Pero habang continuous mo po siyang ginagawa. Parang nagiging natural po siya. So, ayun po.
At saka mas professional na rin yung sentence structure. For example, sabi ng boss nyo, yun na nga, no? Is Alexander here? No, he isn't. He's in the cafeteria. Yung gano'n, no? Hindi lang siya, is Alexander here? No. Diba? Parang hindi magandang sagot yung yes or no lang. Is the rice hot? No, it isn't. It's cold. All right. Next, how about si JM? Nakita ko si JM at si Lay ba yun? Yung naka-on yung kanina yung camera. Si Lorilyn, nag-on yung camera. Baka may gusto sabihin. JM, ikaw.
Ano po? Kapag nagko-campo, hinihintay ko na din. Habang may nagsasalita nga din po, nagpa-practice din po ako. Tapos parang na-excite na ako sa sa turn ko.
Cute niya, ano? I'm glad. At saka, di ba, nakakatulong yung mga correction. Alam ko, medyo nakarami ako sa'yo, no? Pero, lalo na nakikita ko na enjoy ni JM yun, lalo ko siyang kinokorek. Kasi na-appreciate niya, ina-apply niya eh. So, that's why. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
O, si Kim Goon. Lorilyn.
Tinanong ko pa po kung sino po yun, ma'am.
Nag-google mo na ba?
Apo.
Daming hinalikan yun na pogi.
Nako po, ma'am. Ano po, ako naman po, actually po kasi may kaba po ako pag nagsasalita po ako. Lalo na kung involved po yung English. Kasi may inferiority po talaga ako pag nagsasalita na in English. So, ito pong training natin, every sessions po. Nararamdaman ko po na paunti-unti nagagamot po yung inferiority complex ko po. Yun po kasi talaga yung pinaka gusto ko pong ma-overcome.
Right. Thank you, Lori. At si Lori pa yan, no? Di ba, achiever? Tapos na-insecure. Paano pa yung the rest of us? Sige, thank you. At yun nga yung point ko, to give you opportunities, all of you, opportunities to practice. Kasi pag na-practice, lalo na, hindi lang mata ang ginagamit, di ba? Ginagamit din natin tenga natin, ginamit din natin bibig natin, mas naaalala, mas may muscle memory. At ilang beses nyo nadinig yung, are you busy? Is he busy? Is she busy? Di ba? Nadidinig, nare-reinforce yung template. Ang tawag ko sa kanya template eh. Kayo na bahala, no, he isn't. No, she isn't. No, I'm not. No, they aren't. Or yes, I am. Di ba? Yes, they are. Okay, so I hope you find them useful. I hope you practice. I hope you read aloud. Gusto niyo ba magpatuloy nito next week? Iba naman, ibang formula naman gawin natin. Okay? So we'll still see each other at 3 o'clock next week. Alam niyo kung ba't ko pinili yung 3 o'clock? Kasi mas hindi kayo inaantok pag 3 o'clock. Pag 2 o'clock, grabing hirap na hirap. Ngayon, mas masaya. Alright, so happy weekend everyone. Thank you.
Salamat po, bye-bye.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you po.
Thanks, Carla.
Thank you po.